If you want to hire or recruit, having a job board on your site with individual job descriptions that highlight all of the roles you may in the future need to hire. Each one of these can be optimized. HVAC customer service job, HVAC sales manager job, HVAC repair technicians, HVAC service technicians, and so forth. HVAC installer jobs in blank. I'll show you a quick example. These strategies, your web strategy, a lot of time I see sales companies, agencies, and all they're selling is lead generation. It's bigger than that. It's more important than that. It's more than just lead generation. You've got to use all of these strategies for recruiting new employees, for generating more leads for your business, for converting more of the referral business that you get, for helping with customer service, helping have more educated clients. If your website is done correctly, every single thing you put into it can help you be more efficient, more effective in the business, and can help you get your website to work for you instead of you working for it. I'm looking for jobs in Bellevue. For anybody who's online looking for an HVAC career, HVAC jobs in Mount Vernon or Bellevue, if they search, the same strategy for getting found for the search term or the service you want to sell in the city you want to sell it, it works for hiring, recruiting, customer service. Everything works the same.